Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So in the previous video, which was part 1 of this video, we discussed some key nutrients for thyroid health and hair regrowth. So in this video, we will be focusing on the tropical treatments and products that can help boost hair growth and strengthen your hair from outside. So after covering the internal factors like nutrition, it's important to address how external care can support hair regrowth, particularly for those experiencing thyroid related hair loss. This section focuses on effective topical treatments and products that can directly promote hair growth. The first and the foremost is minoxidil. It is commonly known by the brand name Rogaine, and it is one of the most well known treatments for hair regrowth. It's FDA approved for both men and women, and it works by stimulating the hair follicles to re-enter the growth phase. So how it works? Minoxidil increases blood flow to the scalp and hair follicles, which encourages them to grow thicker and healthier hair. It is especially effective in treating androgenic alopecia, but it can also be beneficial for thyroid related hair loss. So how to use it? It is typically applied directly to the scalp as a foam or liquid once or twice daily, and consistency is the key as it can take several months to see noticeable result. It is important to use it regularly. Some people may experience shedding at first, but it is often a sign that the treatment is working as the hair follicle cycles out the old damaged hairs. Potential side effects. So this is generally safe. Some users may experience scalp irritation or dryness. If you experience any side effects, it is best to consult with a healthcare provider. Number 2 is essential oils, which the first is rosemary. So rosemary is a popular natural remedy for promoting natural hair growth, and it works similarly to minoxidil by stimulating blood circulation in the scalp, encouraging hair follicle to produce stronger and thicker strands. Next is peppermint oil. So peppermint oil also boosts circulation, and it has cooling and anti-inflammatory effect on the scalp. This can help reduce any inflammation that may contribute to hair thinning, particularly in thyroid related cases. Lavender oil. So lavender oil is also known for its calming properties, but it also has benefits for hair health. It has antimicrobial property. It helps to keep the scalp clean and prevents conditions like dandruff, which inhibits hair growth. So how to use essential oils? You have to mix few drops of essential oils with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil and gently massage it in your scalp. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing your hair, and regular scalp massage with essential oils can also help stimulate hair follicles and promote hair growth. But it's important that you do a patch test before you use essential oils of any kind to ensure that you don't have an allergic reaction or sensitivity. Talking about the third line of treatment, that is protein rich shampoos and conditioners. So why protein is important? Because your hair is made up primarily of a protein called keratin. So using shampoos and conditioners rich in protein can help strengthen and repair the damaged hair. Protein treatment helps to reduce the hair breakage, making your hair more resilient as it grows back. Also, what you have to look for. So when you're selecting shampoos and conditioners, look for ingredients like keratin, hydrolyzed wheat protein or silk protein. These can penetrate the hair shaft, strengthening each strands and reducing the hair fall due to breakage. How to use these shampoos? Use a protein rich shampoo and conditioner 2 to 3 times a week. If you have very fine or brittle hair, avoid overusing protein treatment as too much protein can make the hair stiff and prone to breakage. Fourth line of treatment is scalp massage. It's a simple and effective way to stimulate blood flow to the hair follicles, which helps to promote hair growth. By gently massaging your scalp, you increase circulation, ensuring that your hair follicles receive the nutrients and oxygen they need to stay healthy. So how you can perform a scalp massage? You can use your fingertips to massage your scalp in circular motion for 5 to 10 minutes every day. For added benefits, combine scalp massage with essential oil or with a nourishing scalp serum. Why it is important? So, regular scalp massages can also reduce stress, which is important because stress can exacerbate both thyroid issues and hair loss, and it's a relaxing way to take care of your scalp while encouraging hair growth. Fifth line of treatment is laser therapy for hair regrowth. So what is it? Low level laser therapy, LLLT. It is a non-invasive treatment that uses the light to stimulate the hair follicles. It's often used to treat thinning of hair and has been shown to increase hair density and strength. How it works? Basically, the light penetrates the scalp, increasing blood flow and stimulating hair follicles to enter the growth phase. This method can be especially helpful for those experiencing hair loss due to thyroid imbalances. Like other treatment, it can also take few months to see the results. Coming to some DIY treatment which is natural and can easily be done at home, the first one is egg mask. So eggs are rich in protein which can help strengthen the hair shaft. Applying an egg mask once a week can provide the nourishment and can reduce the breakage. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has soothing property and it can help hydrate the scalp. It also has enzymes that promote healthy hair growth by keeping the scalp clean and reducing inflammation. Coconut. Coconut oil is packed with fatty acids that can help moisturize the scalp and reduce the protein loss from the hair. Applying coconut oil as a pre-wash treatment can also nourish your hair and skin. So in this video we discussed some tropical treatments which helps the hair regrowth. While these treatments help externally nourish your hair, it is also essential to focus on maintaining a healthy lifestyle, for which you can watch my part 1 video in the description. That was all in this video. I'm nutritionist Tanya and thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you soon in my next video.